To arm your security system, you must check and make sure you have a green ready light here. These are your points of protection listed on your reference guide. If one of these doors are open, you will not have a green ready light. One is open, one is office door. To secure your system, close your door. You will have a green ready light. Turn on your alarm system with your secret 4-digit code. Your system will arm. You now have 90 seconds to exit the premise. To disarm the system, if you're the first person in to work the next morning, enter your secret security code and your system will be disarmed. If this red light is not on, the system is not armed. System is now armed. System is disarmed.